It is very easy to manage leaves and absences from the platform, and this functionality is housed under the Time module. In the My Leave tab, to make a new leave request, select the leave type from the drop-down menu. You have the option to link the leave to a project or task. If this is the case, select the dates from the calendar picker, and you also have the option to add the leave to your calendar. You can also leave a note to your manager to accompany the request. Once the leave is requested, the manager will receive a notification to approve or deny it in the pending widget in the dashboard, and the user will be notified of the status of the request in their FYI widget. If you click on the Teams Leave tab, you can view the leave status of your team and coworkers. In the upper right hand of the screen, there is a legend to guide you as to the leave types and their corresponding color codes. You can choose to view leave status by department or specific users. Remember, the Leave module is seamlessly synced with calendars, projects, the resource planner, and the Who's Where widget on the dashboard,